Okay, so today we're going to be checking out this portable grocery cart instead of using the ones that the store has. You can take yours with you, and what's nice about that is if you need help getting the stuff inside your house, once you get home, this thing's going to be great for that. Because, sometimes, especially, senior citizens or something, they need help getting the groceries out to their car. But no one's there to help them whenever they get home. So this would be perfect for them because they'll have this at their grocery store. And another good thing about this is the wheels. Sometimes the wheels on the carts at the grocery stores or wherever you're shopping are always jiggly, and it's just annoying to push around the store. So if you have this thing, the wheels are going to be good. And it's going to be easy to push. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing together. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the wheels installed. And how we're going to do that is got our bar here that we are going to send through for the big back wheels. So we're going to put the big back wheel. We're going to start with that one on that way. And then this one's going to go on right here. Then we are going to put a washer on there, the bigger washer, and then the cotter pin. When you get the cotter pin in there, you're just going to bend one side. Don't forget your washer on the inside first. Put the washer there, then this, and then your washer there. Cotter pin. A little close up of what that looks like. So you get your washer, your cotter pin. Now, this isn't going to go anywhere. Let's put the front wheels on so they fit in there. They're octagonal or pentagonal shaped. They're going to fit into the slots. We are going to put a little washer, the lock washer, the bolt. Tighten it down. I'm going to do the other side. Okay. Got those on. Don't forget your little caps. So we got the wheels on now. You can see how this thing unfolds. So just like that. And probably has just as much room as one of the carts at the grocery store. And we can go ahead and put our bag in here as well to make it really easy to take all the stuff out of there if you'd like to. Just going to Velcro that just like that. So we got our bag there, and once you take this out, you could, if it's full, you could flap it over that way and put these back Velcro pieces on, especially if it's raining or something like that. Flip this over, and this is Velcro on the back of this as well. So you can just attach that there, attach that one there. Protect all your groceries or, whatever your, it just doesn't have to be groceries. That's just what I always use carts for. But once you're done with it, you want to put it back in your vehicle. There you go. It's going to go in there really nicely. I drive a truck, so this thing would fit in there perfectly. And I think we're going to go to the store here in a little bit. I'll show us using it there.
As you can see, our buggy is pretty full. And now we're going to take it out and just put it in our car. And then you just fold it back up. And there you go. And it is super easy to take out and carry inside, now that we don't have to carry a million bags. So, I give this an 8 out of 10. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.